One of the examples of the reactions that depicts ionic bonding or electrovalent bonding is formation of sodium chloride. And what happens? Why is it called ionic bond? It is called electrovalent or ionic bonding because of the exchange of ions from a metal to a non-metal. When sodium reacts with chlorine, because here we are considering sodium and why chlorine. So in this case, sodium as a metal is an electron donor here, while chlorine is accepting this electron in order to be charged. Both of these elements are charged at the end of the exchange of ions. Sodium is losing one electron to be positively charged, while chlorine is accepting this one electron to be negatively charged. So in this case, is sodium, we all know sodium has one electron in its atmosphere. Let's represent this one electron with its atmosphere. Sodium has one in atmosphere. This is for sodium when not reacted. And here is one electron in its atmosphere, while chlorine has 7 electrons in its atmosphere. In this case, sodium is losing this one electron in the atmosphere. And when sodium lost this one electron in its atmosphere, sodium is losing one electron from its atmosphere, while this electron that sodium is losing is coming to chlorine, which means that chlorine is accepting the lost electron. Here, sodium is a donor of electron, while chlorine is the acceptor of the electron lost by sodium. So when they react, when the ion is formed, what happens is sodium becomes positively charged because it has lost the only electron in its atmosphere. This chlorine, why this chlorine will accept this electron to be negatively charged. So chlorine will become, we have chlorine has accepted the one electron from sodium, and automatically here chlorine becomes negatively charged. Means that what happens here is sodium plus this electron to be positively charged. What happens here is chlorine is negatively charged, and this is what happens in the ionic equation.